Hello everyone and welcome to this Blaze AI review. Can it really replace your content team? Well, we're diving deep into Blaze AI, an all-in-one platform that promises to transform your content game. It's designed to be your comprehensive solution for content creation and management, combining an AI writer, design tool, and social media manager into one powerful hub. We'll be talking about the features, the pricing, and of course the pros and cons, and at the end you'll be able to decide for yourself. The link to Blaze AI is in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Now when it comes to the features, Blaze stands out with features that streamline your entire content workflow. You have AI-powered content generation and repurposing, where you can create SEO optimized blog posts, social media updates, and more. Then you have integrated brand kit, where you get to define your brand's voice, style, and essential assets. You have visual content creation. With Blaze AI, you can generate stunning AI images and use a Canva-like interface with templates for social media posts, thumbnails, and other visuals. Then social media management and scheduling, where you get to plan, schedule, and publish posts directly to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X using an intuitive content calendar. And we have built-in analytics and collaboration, where you get to track your social media performance and utilize team collaboration tools with approval workflows to streamline teamwork. And now to the pricing. There are three main plans. You have the creator plan, which is perfect for solo content creators, and this comes at $34 per month. You get 100K AI words, unlimited AI images, and essential SEO tools. Then the pro plan comes at $49 per month, and this plan unlocks 300K AI words and premium AI for blog posts. Then the team plan, which is great for collaborative teams, comes at $79 per month. It has unlimited AI words and advanced collaboration tools. Then of course you have the agency and enterprise plan. And this starts at $200 per month. These plans are built for larger operations needing multiple users, extensive brand kits, and dedicated support. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. It's a genuine all-in-one platform that saves you money by consolidating tools. It's incredibly user-friendly, especially for AI beginners, and it's packed with robust features. On the flip side, with the cons, Blaze AI could be more transparent with the specific AI models it uses. Also, the word limit on lower tier plans might feel a bit tight for heavy users. In conclusion, we can say that Blaze AI won't replace human creativity, but it will absolutely empower you to do the work of a much larger team. It's a fantastic tool for consistency, efficiency, and scaling your content efforts. Don't forget to check the link to Blaze in the description below, and if you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments section, and thanks for watching.